to stop a recurring investment in Acorns. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To stop recurring investment, what you need to do is simply from the app, log into your app, tap invest, tap recurring, and tap turn off in the upper right corner of the screen. And after you do that, you're good to go. And if you're doing from the website, log into your account, click invest, click on recurring investments, click stop recurring, and it will turn off easily. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to stop a recurring investment in Acorns. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.